Duarbagori Press Club was founded in the year 2021, and since then there was no permanent office for the club. Therefore, on 26th of August, the permanent office for Duarbaguri Press Club was inaugurated. Sarkoi Rongpar, VDC chairman, attended as a chief guest and inaugurated the office building during an early hours of the day. Mongol Singh Terang, chairman of Dolamara Municipal Board, Mondor Singh Ingti, president of APHLC Duarbaguri, Thomson Terang, village headman, Theong Sahab Group, and several dignitaries from the region attended the inaugural ceremony. Sarkoi Rongpar, VDC chairman, while speaking to us, informed that he was delighted to learn about the formation and inaugural ceremony of Duarbaguri Press Club. Now all the citizens would be updated and vigilant through the help of the media house. The knowledge of all the government schemes and projects would be known to the people of Duarbaguri. Earlier, the citizens had to invite the journalists SMS from Bokakhat to get their issues and grievances addressed. But now we have a press club right here.
Athe media ilitumulong kidu pinangana kijoidu. Athe kala halo pinangana lam kamukha birta chipachoyi phan akijoy bandu. Manitum soden edet punon. Upani man kunani ronglong tinangji hormu kili tong thikthi sarkar long pali nangji hormu pali tong thikthi lai hui awar sai ke media tum silong.
Bida Singh Ingling, president of Duarbaguri Press Club, while briefing the media, expressed his gratitude towards Richard Togby, local MSc, as well as the executive member of KAAC, and well wishes for extending their support to Duarbaguri Press Club.
Duarbaguri angkang Komphang song lapen Radachari song lapen Jasimet ECF for Harat Crew lapen Rongway Block Sakhi tum lapen ang parta Hongdung akorti tum pan ha kicheng itum Duarbaguri Press Club seng nang pupenang cerab na chitudun alang tum pan ning aklong panili churolo athelang tum jongsi nang ceraban di sante pinia ni litum long so me itum bitekhe lapen itum Duarbaguri Press Club itum seng ban thek dat hai.
News Desk report for Karbing Long Line.